To enhance the bond between Japan and India and promote the exchange of Japanese culture in the northeastern region, a special 3-day cultural event is scheduled at the Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong from the 17th to 19th November 2023. The announcement was made during a press conference held on November 16th. The Japan Embassy and Japan Foundation, New Delhi, in collaboration with the Indian Center for Cultural Relations, Northeastern Region, are organizing the event. Key representatives from the Japan Embassy and Japan Foundation, including Yosuke Nakada, Mohu Hakamata, Keiku Koshikova, and Oi Ishimaru, along with Zonal Director N. Munich Singh from the Center for Cultural Relations, Northeastern Region, were present at the press conference.
To showcase the Japanese culture that we have and our youth especially to involve in every kind of aspects of the Japanese culture. This has been organized by the Japanese Embassy in Delhi and the Japan Foundation, New Delhi, along with in collaboration with ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Northeast Region. So we have with us our delegates from the Japanese Embassy.
And we also hold the possible event in the Yukata experience and happy and origami and calligraphy. So I hope that many students will come to our event and they will experience. And also, I can't teach them, but I want them to experience all the Japanese culture.
It is the present trend, and it has become very popular in Northeast. We who are a bit elder may not know much, but the youths, if you see any of your youngsters WhatsApp profile or anything, you will always see anime or any cosplay character in it. So it is there within us in vibe, So it is really, we are in fact grateful to the Japan Embassy and the Japan Foundation that they look forward to bring in this, because this will create a more interest plus a more professionalism in this field.